Hi my dear children, welcome back to social science class. Today we learn about next chapter, the struggle begins. The revolt of 1857 ended the rule of the British East India Company. The British government took control of all the Indian territories that were under the company. The British tried to suppress the Indian people. Suppress means to bring to end by force. That force the Indian people. The more strongly they began to demand freedom. In the early 19th century, some social evils present in the Indian society. Some social evils such as caste system, polygamy. Polygamy means having more than one wife or husband at the same time. Sati. Sati means a widow threw herself on to her husband's funeral pyre. Sati and child marriage. These evils that divided the Indian society and made it backward. Some social reformers such as Rajaram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Syed Ahmad Khan, Dayananda Saraswati and Sri Narayana Guru started movements aimed at ending social inequalities and promoting education. They felt that without this change in society, India would not be able to unite and fight the British. At that time, some leaders started setting up political associations to create awareness among the people. In 1885, A.O. Hume set up the Indian National Congress or INC. A.O. Hume was set up Indian National Congress in 1885. It marked the beginning of an organized political movement against the British. The first session of the INC or Indian National Congress was held in Mumbai. The early phase of the INC was moderate groups. The prominent leaders of moderate groups were Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Naoroji and W.C. Banerjee. One section of the Congress felt that moderate methods such as meetings and speeches would not produce any result. They wanted direct action with the support of the people. Among the prominent leaders or extremist leaders were Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. These leaders often called Lal, Bal, Pal. Bal Gangadhar Tilak declared, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Swaraj is own country. Freedom. Okay. He started a newspaper named Kesari. Subramanya Bharati, a freedom fighter and social reformer from Tamil Nadu. He started a newspaper, India, having articles, songs and editorial which inspired the Indian youth to join the freedom struggle. His strongly nationalistic poems posed a great challenge to the British government, which ordered his arrest. However, even in prison, Bharati spent his time writing poems on freedom, nationalism, and the country's welfare. He had close relations with nationalist leaders such as Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. They discussed national issues and exchanged their views. Subramanya Bharati's wise suggestions and dedication to the cause of nationalism inspired the common people as well as national leaders. The British were feeling increasingly threatened by the growth of national feeling among the Indians and tried to crush it. They adopted was of divide and rule. Divide Indians on the basis of their religion. That was divide and rule policy. They could continue to rule India. Bengal was the center of all revolutionary activities. Therefore, Lord Curzon, the victory of India, decided to divide Bengal into East Bengal for the Muslims and West Bengal for the Hindus. This came to be known as the Partition of Bengal. Lord Curzon gave administrative convenience as the reason for dividing Bengal. But the Indians understood that the real reason behind this decision was to divide the Indian people. To protest against the division of Bengal, people came out in large numbers and marched down the streets singing Vande Mataram. The Swadeshi movement started against the partition of Bengal. Swadeshi movement was a part of the Indian independence movement and contributed to the development of Indian nationalism. It was one of the most successful movements against the British. Men, women, and children boycotted foreign goods. Boycotted means refused foreign goods and made bonfire out of them. Indian people pledged or promised to use only Indian goods or Swadeshi goods. Swadeshi means on country. The movement soon spread off other parts of India. Many people were arrested. The British were forced to reunite Bengal because of the reaction of the people. This was a great victory for the Indians. When the First World War broke out in 1914, Indian soldiers fought bravely on the side of the British. They expected the British to reward them after the war, but the British government imposed more taxes on them. It was around this time that Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, a young lawyer, took over the leadership of the nationalist movement.